Brava Technical Services is the hands-on support system behind every Brava roof. That includes delivering comprehensive training, trusted guidance, and real-time support from first layout to final inspection. Brava field service representatives are technical experts who provide training, support, and inspections on-site or remotely. Their mission is to ensure every Brava system meets the highest performance standards. Our team is proactive, available, and trained to solve problems in the real world. Every answer is rooted in hands-on experience and backed by detailed technical resources. Before installation begins, our team helps crews understand the system, validate plans, and start the job with confidence. Level 1 is the foundation of our training program. It's accessible on any device, it's available in English and Spanish, and it's designed to equip every crew member with the knowledge they need to install Brava products correctly. Each Brava system is covered in a focused online module, followed by a knowledge check, ensuring crews have the training in one streamlined process. It's quick, accessible, and designed to give every installer the keys to a successful installation. Level 2 integration is real-time support during your Brava install. We walk with you through the process utilizing checklists, documentation, and site-specific guidance to help ensure everything goes smoothly and stays within spec. Our Level 2 checklists guide the install step by step, helping contractors meet Brava specs as if someone on our team is on site. Text Tech is your on-the-job assistant, powered by AI and backed by Brava. Just text your question and get accurate answers, documents, and links in seconds, right on your phone. We'll make sure you get exactly what you need. Our keys to success are the essential practices behind a proper Brava installation. Consistent chalk lines, correct fastening and exposure, keyway spacing and side lap. These details make a big difference, and we build them into every training and resource we offer. Everything we do is focused on helping crews install with clarity and confidence. Teachable, checkable, repeatable. Our team helps contractors start stronger. We equip them to solve problems faster and finish with confidence. It's more than support, it's a relationship that adds value every step of the way. Start to finish, Brava Technical Services helps every project run smoother with expert guidance that supports contractors, crews, and homeowners. Brava is committed to making every installation a success.